Hi there, let me show you exactly what you get when you hire me as your project manager or coordinator. By the way, I am Engineer Vince and I am familiar with the technical side of engineering work. But beyond that, I organize, I align, and I keep things structured, the things that actually matter to a CEO, a business owner, or a company executive who needs the operation to run without chaos. So here's an all-in-one business platform I used to make that happen. So let me walk you through it. So by the way, this is the exact platform that has data. So this data is just a sample. So you can see it here. This is the dashboard. All right. In the dashboard, it's already have the things you needed. Okay. This is the financial command center. The moment you log in, you see the health of business, bank balances, profit and loss, income versus expenses, your expense breakdown by category, no waiting for a monthly report. It's live and it's always in front of you. This is the visibility an executive needs to make decisions fast, right? Because in the dashboard, we have invoices awaiting payment. Okay, so every projects, we know that there's a lot of invoices coming in and coming out. Here, what is the projects or what is the progress of the current projects? The task finish. Okay, so we have it here. The invoice, you will see the percentage, so sent, unpaid, partially paid, overdue, and then the outstanding invoices. This is very important for any projects, right? You can see, for example, here a 1 million pesos, so the past due invoices, and then the paid invoices. And on the right side, my to do items. And the good thing about this dashboard, if you're thinking this is fixed, this is customizable. So you can drop it here. You want to see above is the task, the projects, the reminders, the tickets, the announcement to all the teams. It's all here. All right. So you can put it there on the top if you want. So here, below we have contracts expiring soon. So this is a just like a widget, and we have here some, what do you call this one? A calendar. Oh, and the calendar, by just navigating the mouse, the information is going to pop up. Okay, so you will not be hard enough. It is not hard enough for you to find things. It's already here. Okay, in the dashboard here, the latest project activity. What is it? And I think this is the exact information needed by a CEO or executives or any head or manager of the projects. But if you're also hiring someone like me who can do this for you, set it up this for you, then I am always willing to get hired by the right people and be part of any team. Okay, so if you can see that this can be very helpful to you, then can you just send me a appointment or book an appointment with my calendar or email me. So let's move on. Here on the left side, you can see this is role libs, for example. Every project track with its status in, progress, on hold, finish. So we have here projects, we have inventory. Here in the projects, you can see it here, right? Uh, on hold, canceled, finish. So for example, and who are the members? Are they? This is in progress. The customers, you can make also tagging. In the inventory, you have items. We have inventory receiving. How was it? The packing list, internal delivery, warehouse, inventory, the report. Okay. Then the purchase, we have items. See? So what have we purchased this week or for this whole month? We can see it here. Who are the vendors? So the items, the purchase request, quotations, order returns, and we have it all here. The what we needed on every projects. The production. So how was it? This is the dashboard of the production. We have it here. Graphs, right? So the work centers. For example, you can see it here, foundation structural works, house, the working order, the framing, roofing, the plumbing and electrical, finishing, tiling, site cleanup. Okay, so you can create work order here. Okay, and then the products, bills, and timesheets and leave for every people. Okay, so this is the exact features needed by the project manager. Attendance, when they're going to leave, what are the shifts in the accounting. I can also see it here. Or you, as the CEO, you see how's the banking, the transactions, the bills, the checks, and everything. HR records. So we also have it here. HR payroll. And then the sales, estimates, invoices, payments, credit notes. So we have expenses, of course, in the subscription. This is very minimum. And if you're going to hire me to be part of your big company or the team, this is the inclusion of hiring me. Okay. And then for contracts, we also have it here. Contracts, the task, right? You can see it here. What are the tasks? For example, the kickoff. So see, open task. How was it? What's the project charter? Billing type. Okay. Who are the people in here? New task invoices. So very good, right? For businesses that produce, you've got production and work orders tracked, overtime, draft plan confirmed, processing done, the full production cycles managed from one screen. Okay, this is really good. And then to end this presentation, and I think this is what's really matter. The part that matters most, this entire platform is, again, the rebranding. It can be rebranded under your business name, your logo, your domain, your system, tailored to exactly how you operate. So this is what you're hiring, not just a project manager who fills in a schedule, an engineer who understands the technical work, organizes the chaos, aligns the team, and brings the digital systems that runs the whole operation. Centralized, paperless, under your name. And we can also integrate some AI tools in here. So we have a 24/7 AI tailored to your company assistant. Okay? The one who never gets tired, never go to vacation, never gets sick, okay, and never ask for a raise. That's a AI assistant. Okay, so the full portfolio and my capabilities can be viewed on my engineervince.sayaval.com. And I really want to work with you in your company or your team. If you see this platform can really help, and the person using it or me can really bring impact and changes, profit, growth, stability, and adaptation to this fast evolving era to your company. Thank you so much and have a nice day. See ya.